Welcome to today's broadcast. We're so excited to have you here.
Absolutely. It's going to be a great show. Let's get started.
Excuse me, is it okay if I sit here? There are no empty seats left.
Of course. You can sit here. I don't mind at all.
Thank you so much. I'm new here, so everything feels a little unfamiliar.
Really? Don't worry. You'll get used to it soon. I'm Ryan, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Ryan. I'm Emma. I just joined this school last week.
Welcome to our campus, Emma. I hope you like it here.
I'm trying, but I still feel shy talking to new people.
You're doing great already. Talking to me is a good start, right?
Maybe it is. Do you come to this cafe often?
Yes, this cafe is my favorite place. The atmosphere is peaceful and cozy.
That's true. I like it too. It feels warm and comfortable here.
So, Emma, what are you studying? Which class are you in?
I study English literature. I love reading novels and writing stories.
That sounds amazing. Creative people always make life interesting.
Oh, thank you. What about you? What do you study?
I'm in computer science. I enjoy building apps and solving puzzles.
Wow, that's cool. You must be really smart.
I try. So, what would you like to order today?
I think I'll try a hot chocolate. It looks delicious.
Great choice. I'll go and order it for you. Relax and feel at home here. Evening time. Emma and Ryan are walking towards the school gate with their bags. It was really nice talking to you today, Emma. I didn't expect to make a new friend in the cafe.
Same here. I was so nervous at first, but now I feel much more comfortable.
Where do you live? Maybe we walked the same way.
I live near Maple Street, just 5 minutes from here.
Oh, that's great. My house is also in the same direction. We can walk together often.
That would be amazing. It's always better to walk with someone than alone.
Exactly. Plus, we can talk more and share school stories on the way.
Yes, and maybe you can help me find my classes. I still get lost sometimes.
Don't worry. I'll be your personal guide until you memorize everything.
Oh, thanks. You're really kind and helpful, Ryan.
So, do you live with your family, or are you staying in a hostel?
I live with my parents and my younger sister. They're excited that I've already made a friend.
That's sweet. I'm sure they'll be happy to meet you someday.
Maybe. My mom loves guests who bring good vibes.
I'll try to bring only positive vibes then.
You already do. I feel lucky that we met today.
I feel the same. New friendships make school life more fun.
Absolutely. Every new day feels like a new adventure now.
Here we are, your street. I'll drop you till your gate.
Thank you, Ryan. See you tomorrow. Same cafe, same time.
Of course. I wouldn't miss it for anything.
Good night and take care.
Good night, Emma. Sweet dreams, and welcome to a new beginning. After school, they decide to study together in the library. Hey, Emma. I thought we could study together today. It might help you understand the campus better.
That sounds perfect. I really need to catch up with the syllabus.
Don't worry. You're already doing so well for a new student.
Thanks. Sometimes it still feels like everyone knows more than me.
Trust me, no one knows everything. We're all learning step by step.
You're right. And studying with a friend makes it easier.
So, what should we start with first? Poetry or grammar?
Poetry, please. It's my favorite part of English literature.
Nice. You have a poet's heart, I can already tell.
Don't flatter me too much or I'll start believing it.
You should believe in yourself. Confidence makes talent shine brighter.
I'll try my best. Thanks for always encouraging me.
Anytime. Friends are meant to support each other.
This library is so quiet. It feels peaceful.
Yeah, it's the best place to focus without distractions.
Do you also write something? Code counts as writing too.
Yes, my writing talks to the computer instead of people.
Still, it's amazing. We both create something using imagination.
Exactly. Your words build worlds, and my code builds systems.
Wow, when you say it like that, it sounds really beautiful. Next day, lunch break. Sitting under a tree. The weather is so nice today. Perfect for eating outside.
Totally. Fresh air and good food, best combo.
I made homemade sandwiches. Would you like one?
Really? Thank you. That's so kind of you to share.
Of course. Friends always share food.
Well then, take some of my fries too. Deal?
Deal. Sharing makes everything taste better.
Your sandwich is delicious. Are you a secret chef?
Haha, no. My mom taught me everything I know.
Please thank her. She raised a talented daughter.
I will. She'll be so happy to hear that.
So, what do you usually do after school?
Mostly reading and helping my sister with homework.
That's sweet. You must be a great sister.
Try. What about you? Any hobbies?
I love music. Sometimes I play guitar alone in my room.
Wow, guitar? You never told me that.
I was shy. Maybe someday I'll play for you.
I would love that. Music connects hearts beautifully.
Then I'll practice extra to impress you a little more.
Oh no, I forgot my umbrella. What do I do now?
Hey, don't worry. I brought mine. We can share it.
Are you sure? I don't want to trouble you.
You're never a trouble. Come closer, or you'll get wet.
Thank you. You always help me at the right moment.
Maybe we're just meant to meet at the right moments.
You say such sweet things, Ryan. I don't know how to reply.
Just smile. That's enough for me.
Okay, but I might still ruin your shirt with raindrops.
It's fine. Clothes can dry, but moments like this are rare.
You really know how to make a rainy day special.
Honestly, it's special because I'm with you.
I feel safe when I'm walking with you.
And I feel happy when I'm talking to you.
I think this friendship is becoming very important to me.
It's important to me too, more than you can imagine.
You make every simple moment feel magical.
Maybe that's what happens when two people connect.
Then I hope this connection keeps growing.
It will, as long as we walk together like this.
Nighttime. Emma is in her room, thinking about the day. Her phone rings. It's Ryan calling for the first time.
Hey, Emma. Sorry for calling late. I just wanted to make sure you reached home safely.
Aw, that's really sweet of you. Yes, I reached home just fine.
Good. I kept worrying because of the heavy rain earlier.
You're such a caring friend, Ryan. I appreciate that a lot.
Well, it's easy to care about someone who matters, like you.
Me? Do I really matter to me that much?
More than you think. Talking to you makes my day feel complete.
That's so heart-touching. I feel happy when I talk to you, too.
So, how was homework today? Did you finish everything?
Almost, but I got stuck in one poem analysis.
Tell me which one. Maybe we can think about it together.
Really? You'll help me even over the phone?
Of course. Teamwork doesn't stop after school.
You always know how to say the right thing at the right time.
Well, maybe because I really enjoy making you smile.
Well, you're succeeding. I'm smiling right now.
Good. Your smile should never take a break.
Ryan, I'm glad I met you. You make my new school feel like home.
And I'm glad you're here. My life feels brighter since you arrived.
Aw, good night, Ryan. Let's meet tomorrow with the same positive energy.
Good night, Emma. Sweet dreams. And don't forget, you matter to me.